Are you ready to ace your IELTS listening exam and unlock the next chapter of your life? Introducing Master IELTS Listening, your complete success blueprint. The only course you'll ever need to crush the IELTS listening test and achieve your dream score. Hi, I'm Nicola Wright, a dedicated IELTS expert with over 5 years of experience helping students just like you succeed. Whether you're aiming for a band 7, 8, or even 9, this course has got you covered. Master IELTS. Listening, your complete success blueprint, is your all-in-one guide, packed with everything you need to succeed, including step-by-step lessons for each listening section, full-length practice tests with answer reviews, audio scripts and answer keys for every question, vocabulary lists with definitions to boost your confidence, insider strategies and tips to stay ahead of the clock. From understanding accents and predicting answers to avoiding common pitfalls, this course will transform your listening skills and build your confidence for test day. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up for test day, you'll learn at your own pace with engaging lessons, detailed explanations, and plenty of real-world practice. This course is more than just tips and tricks. It's a proven system designed for real results. With expert guidance, clear strategies, and a focus on your success, Master IELTS Listening, your complete success blueprint, is your ultimate tool to conquer IELTS listening. Don't leave your future to chance. Join Master IELTS Listening, your complete success blueprint today, and take the first step toward your dream score. Together, we'll make it happen. Click the link to enroll and get instant access to Master IELTS Listening, your complete success blueprint, your complete solution for IELTS listening mastery.